Hey folks, Trevor coming to you live from J Malone Motors. A huge storm went through and we know it is. Hope everyone's okay, but if you need anything, you come down, see our body shop. They can take care of vehicles, get you fixed up. If for some reason your vehicle was totaled, we would love the opportunity to help you out and get you into another vehicle. Give us a call, 320-587-4748. We can set up a VIP appointment, set up an appointment to have you come down and see our body shop, whatever it takes. Come see us at 1165 Highway 7 West. It's Hutchinson, Minnesota. It's J Malone Motors, your dealer for life.